LED CM3717-67 Ba15S T17 Led. 1 watt voltage compatibility. Designed for DC 12 to 30 volts input, suitable for a wide range of vehicle power systems. 2 versatile automotive applications. Ideal for versatile applications. Ideal for indicator light, turn signal light, running light, direction light, brake light, position light. 3 power consumption and brightness. Power 1.65 W. Luminous Flux 138 lumens. Uses LED BCM material and manufacturing method, offering twice the brightness as standard models. 4 enhanced light diffusion. Frosted lens improves light diffusion and expands the beam angle to 180, ensuring a wider and more uniform illumination. 5 installation knob. Replacing traditional bulbs with ultra-bright LEDs may cause fast flashing and turn signals to correct this. A metal resistor is required for normal flashing behavior. Notice: please carefully check the bulb size and user manual before purchasing. For any questions about compatibility or voltage customization, feel free to contact us for assistance.